Hi guys, so today as it was announced that we are going live with Preeti. She is from Varnam. So I hope you all are with me here. Let's wait for maybe a minute or two and see. Let's see how many people join us, and then I'll take Preeti live. I hope Preeti is live with me. Hi guys. Hi Aditi. Hi Priya. Hi Noori. Hi Tikwix. So Preeti, are you live with me now? Okay, so guys, be ready with the questions, and we will show you how Preeti works with our epoxy resin. Okay, I'll just take her live now. I think Preeti is not live with us. Okay, yeah, she's there. Okay, I'll just take her. Preeti, I'm not able to send you requests. Can you send in request to join with me? Hello, M. Kalakar. Okay, yeah. To Preeti. She'll join with us now.
Hi.
Hi, Preeti.
Hi, Manisha.
So tell me, Preeti, what are you going to work today? Ocean
I'm
theme
going
coaster,
to
right?
Sorry?
You're working on ocean theme coaster today. You're going to show us live port.
Yep.
She'll join with us now.
So I'm going to show, it's a very simple
Yeah.
coaster, but it's got a lot of elements in that. Show you how to do
Okay.
teal colored coasters. Very simple, but
Okay.
very nice. So
Okay.
shall we wait for more people to join?
I think, yeah, we will wait. So are you ready with everything? Are you ready
Yeah,
with your mixing?
yep, I am. And also, there is a lag with whatever I talk. So there's a 2 seconds lag.
No, I'm able to hear you immediately.
No, that's what I'm able to get that feedback only after 2-3 seconds.
Oh, okay. So, guys,
Hi, guys.
so there are many people actually. There are 36 people. Let's wait for
Nobody,
some more.
I can see nobody goes to sleep at night so early.
Yeah, actually, crafters work night, they don't sleep.
Yeah,
Artists, everyone is awake at night.
true.
Hi, Darni. So, Darni is live with us. Priya. There are many people. So, guys, she is going to work with Miraz Bazaar epoxy resin. So, I'll show you what the product is. See, this is our resin, okay, epoxy resin and hardener. It is 10 is to 4 ratio, and currently, we have a very attractive price announced. It's 999 for 1.4 kg. Yeah, actually, this is not a special offer. This is going to be the price here onwards. So you guys don't have to worry that it will. It is for a limited offer timing. So Preeti, I think let's start and let's see how many more people join.
Shall we wait for 2 more minutes?
You want to wait? Okay. Guys, meanwhile, shoot some questions to Preeti.
Yeah.
Tell us about their quality, Manisha. Okay, Sujata wants to know. Suji, she wants to know about the quality. I think let Preeti talk about it.
Yeah, so regarding the quality, first of all, it doesn't have an order, and I'm allergic to very strong odors, so it doesn't have an order. And
Okay.
yeah, so that's one important thing. And secondly, she says it is food contact safe. So as we all know, all chemicals are, we have to take it with a pinch of salt, though we say it's food contact safe, yes. So it's about, you cannot have sambar sadam or curd rice on the plate, but you can definitely have chips or some aloo bhujia, those kind of dry snacks. Okay, anything for that
Correct.
matter. Yeah, and
True.
regarding the what else? There are no fumes. Since there are no odor, I don't see any fumes or any strong smell. And in case it falls on your hands or anything, if you're not working with any protective gear, you can actually wash it off immediately with some soap and a little bit of oil. So you don't have to worry if it's sticking to your fingers. So that is also there. So regarding the pot life, according to to the manufacturer, what is the pot life, Manisha?
Sorry?
What is a pot life
What light?
actually? Yeah.
See, the working time is 45 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, but then that differs, city to city, the weather, all that matters a lot.
True, true. So see,
So,
I mixed this resin about 1 hour or so back. Okay. So it's becoming thick. Can you see? It's becoming thick, but it's not fully set. So it gives me sufficient time for me to do any good casting process. Okay. Just a
correct.
moment. Somebody's asked me on WhatsApp, where is the link? I will just reply to them. Just a moment.
Okay. So there are more people joining in. So I think
Yeah,
it's good we waited for some time.
true.
So Suji, I hope Preeti had answered your questions. If you have any more questions, you can surely, type here and you can ask the questions.
Okay, is that my dad? Yeah, that's my dad. Hi, Pa.
One
Manisha,
sec.
you can hear me, right?
Okay. I
Okay.
am. No, one sec. I'm not able to hear you, Preeti.
You're not able to hear
Are you
me?
able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
1 minute.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah, now it's fine. Actually, I got a call. So that's what it just got cut. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
hi
tell me.
Petu, hi Priya. Yes, I'm going to show a live demo. And somebody was asking about the quality of the molds. See, any resin, any silicone molds, after a certain, no matter how good quality the silicone mold is, no matter how many times you use, beyond a level, it starts to get weary. So you start to lose the glossy finish. No matter which quality, even if you're going to buy the mold, the silicone, and then you start making the mold yourself, that's what's going to happen. So for you to have a complete glossy finish, what you're going to do is you have to put a doming on top. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, are they non-yellowing? Yes, they are non-yellowing. Yes, and it's non-yellowing in the sense UV resistant indoors. They are not outdoor resins. You cannot just take those coasters and put it out in the sun and expect it to be like perfectly fine. No, they are non-yellowing only for the indoors, and heat safe. Yes, heat safe in the sense up to 70 degrees to 75 degrees. I think maximum even 80 degrees you can keep. I
No,
have kept even very
you can
hot.
keep up to 120 degree.
Yeah, okay. I kept very, hot mugs on it. But always remember, resin will take 24 to 48 hours to cure, but the internal curing will take at least for 1 or 2 weeks. So immediately
Correct.
after you mold, if you're going to keep anything hot and you expect it to be perfect, it's not going to happen because you might start seeing those markings in the coasters. Okay.
Posters.
So
Correct. Yeah.
Yes. So it's better you leave it for a week or two before you start using it fully. Okay?
Someone is asking, Anita is asking, what does domain
What is
means?
doming? See, doming in the sense, if you're going to take out a coaster
Anita,
from the
she
mold,
said doming. No, it's not domain, it's doming. I think she heard it as domain, so she is asking what is domain.
I'll show you what doming is. In the sense, you pour
Yeah.
a resin, you take it off the mold. So after that, you take some amount of clear resin or what kind of resin you want, and you pour it on top. So if this is one poster which I made. Can you see the gloss here? This is doming. Okay, if I had taken it from the mold directly, it wouldn't be this glossy. You have to add another clear layer to make it this glossy. Okay.
And you have used RSN, right? Madras Bazaar resin on doming.
Yeah, this is Madras Bazaar resin's doming. Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, can we go ahead?
I think, yeah, we should start with the process.
Yeah,
Meanwhile, I'll
cool.
see, if someone is asking questions, I'll keep shooting you questions and you can answer while working.
Sure. Okay, and also guys, remember, please work in a well-ventilated environment. Please wear protective mask, gear, gloves. Okay, something on your dress, on your an apron, because I tend to spoil all my clothes. I have the tendency to drop everything on my dress, so I try to wear this. And make sure your place is got a plastic wrap or something which you can easily clean. Okay, so I'm going to change tilt the camera and I'm going to show it to the molds. Can you see now? Is it clear?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay, so these are the molds which I have. Always when you're preserving your molds, keep it upside down so that the dust particle does not settle. If you see any dust, I have tried to remove all the dust particles. So I don't think it's just a moment. Huh?
Yeah.
If you have a cellophane tape, if there's any residue or any dust particles, just remove it. Okay.
So, so guys, see, you can see how you can remove the dust particles from the molds. If you feel there is mostly, when you work with glitters, you'll find a lot of glitter on your molds. So you can clean your glitters through cellophane tape.
Hey, and also we are living in a very polluted country. Okay, so anytime any dust can get. So doesn't
Yeah,
matter glitters. Okay, so
correct.
this is the base. So here I've already mixed Madras Bazaar's resin, and this is a teal color which I have mixed it with. Can you guys see? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, yeah, Manisha, can I start?
Yeah, start. I think everyone is waiting for you to start.
Okay, now just
They want
hold.
to see you live coding, how you work.
Okay, so just a thin layer of resin first. Just make sure the base is covered. Okay, just try to push it to the corners. It's okay, you can see for this mold on an average, for you to get a good quality mold, you please take about say 50 to 60 ml of resin. That's when you get good quality thick coasters. Otherwise it will look very flimsy. It won't live up to the expectation. It won't have the proper depth.
Noori wants to know how's the viscosity of our resin.
That's
What do
what
you want to say, Preeti?
it's quite runny in the beginning, but after 2 years, 2 hours, it starts to get a little thick. Okay, so it depends. I stay in a very hot place. I stay in Chennai, so for me also it takes about 1.5 hours or so for it to get thick. If you're staying in a more colder place, it'll take quite some time, but it's pretty good, especially for casting. For coating, it gives you a very sharp finish. So this is
Guys,
my
I've
blow.
stopped the comments because people, they wanted me to stop the comments for time being till she works. I
Okay.
think everyone wants to see the process. So just for a while, I've stopped the comments. I'll start the comments once she's done with the process.
See, this is the blowtorch. You get these blowtorch. It is the propane torch. You can use even butane torches. So this, please make sure this is just to remove the superficial air bubbles. It is, please don't put directly onto the mold because it will tend to burn the mold. If it tends to burn
True.
the mold will stick to the resin. So when you're taking out the coaster will stick to the resin.
Correct. Yeah.
So I'm going to start with these small starfish that I have. So So if I'm going, depends on which side you want as the bottom and the top. I want the bottom side to be facing up because I'm going to dome it later. So I'm going to reverse
Yeah.
the starfish and put it.
Okay. So this starfish is also from our store, right?
Yes, I think all the elements are from your store except for mine.
Even your Madras Bazaars. Actually, she was our design team member last year.
Yeah, I
You guys
was.
would have seen her creations, and it's still there in our Instagram, YouTube, and our blog also. If you want to see her work, you can go check her profile. She does amazing work and she does beautiful name boards.
Thanks, Manisha. Yeah, so just push it inside. Don't push it too much. See, the advantage of having a very thicker consistency resin is, it tends to pull the object inside and tries to keep it as it is in that same state. Okay, so
If you put
next,
it into honey, it actually floats back up.
yep. So I'm going to put some broken shells. I broke these shells for this purpose. So once I have put these shells, so these are, what are these called? Yeah, these are shell flakes which I got from Madras Bazaar. I'm going to add a little bit of these
Yeah.
also.
Those are small fan shells.
Yeah,
Iridescent, yeah, iridescent pink color.
yeah,
We have
nice.
in pink and white shades in this, guys. If you guys want, link of any of these product, you can DM me or you can WhatsApp me. I'll send you the links of it.
So when it's actually pink, okay, but when you're putting in the teal color, it changes color to purple. It's actually quite nice.
Yeah, that is because the pink and blue mixture it turns
Yes.
into a purple then.
I had actually put up a free tutorial of this on my page, but it was probably in some 4x speed or 8x speed. So this is the normal
Oh.
working.
Actually, people like watching live. When someone does live pouring and work with resin,
Yeah, true.
and they even get chance to ask you questions. Nah? In your videos, they don't get chance of asking you questions.
That is so true, yes. Okay. So then I'm going to add a little bit of these. I got these stones on Amazon. Okay, I don't even know what they're called. I got these stones on Amazon. It's called gravel or something. I probably bought a kilo or something some 3 years back. I still use them.
I think it's for used mainly for aquarium.
Yeah. So when you're putting these, just put smaller ones because you will have to use so much of resin if you're going to cover that entire stone up.
Or else you can use crystals.
Yes, anything of your choice.
Yeah.
Okay, and a little bit of these pearls, also from Madras Bazaar. Just sprinkling it here and there.
It's a no hole pearl. So it's not the normal pearls, guys. It's a no hole pearl, and it comes in 3 to 10 mm size. So you will see a lot of sizes, mixed sizes in it. So
Yeah,
you're
I have all
using
these.
blue color, right? Blue ones,
Yeah, I'm
yeah, blue
using
and white
blue,
ones.
I'm using light blue, I'm using dark blue, and I'm using a little bit of this white also. Basically, I'm
So
just
you're
playing around.
actually including all the sea elements in it.
Yep.
The pearl, starfish.
I'm just playing around. I'm not even having a definitive
Yeah,
thing.
guys, that's the rule, just play around. Don't be, too choosy of, adding this or that. Just go with your flow. What you feel like adding, add it.
Okay, and the last blue goes here. Okay, after
So
this,
she's, uh,
I
after
have a
this,
little bit of, remember the moss I got from you? I had made into small. These are just little moss artificial moss that I got from her
so
long.
you have already mixed this with resin or it's just
No. I've
moss?
already mixed it with resin because what happens is when you directly put on the resin, since it's lightweight, no, it tends to come up. So I already mixed
Correct.
it in the resin and kept it so that it's in the resin.
This is artificial powdered moss. We have this green shade.
Anisha, how many people are watching, by the way?
There are 53 people, Preeti, right now.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, actually, I have noticed that, people are more free after post dinner, I guess. They are done with their work, so they get time to watch our live.
Okay.
So, are you done? One more layer you're going to pour on it, right? Or is
Yeah.
it done?
After this, yes, no. After this, whatever is left over, just
Huh.
slowly put it on top. It's looking so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, we can see even in video, it's looking very pretty and, the blue color.
So these starfish will start coming out. Don't bother, just push them inside. It'll go.
Keep pushing them. Yeah, keep pushing it inside.
So even if it comes out, just don't bother much because see we are going to have a very natural theme. Okay, so it doesn't matter if the starfish are little inside or outside. Even in the other coaster, that's how it is. So it doesn't really matter. As far as it's completely resin coated and it has all the elements, it's fine. But be careful when you're pushing it because you tend to trap a lot of air bubbles if you don't do it correctly. So that's the tricky part. And if you're not going to put anything on the back side, please make sure you finish it up till the brim. Otherwise, you're going to have all those, little overhanging edges and it's not going to look very neat on your project. So once this is
So, what
done,
can they do if they have those edges? They can sand it, right? If they
yes, you can
want.
sand it. You can put a resin layer also. Again, some more heat gun. Just
So,
bring
guys, once again, don't use the heat gun or blowtorch very close to the mold. Your mold will, stick to your resin piece. Then you might either tear your mold or your resin piece won't come out.
Okay, now comes the last part of this, which is to cover the whole thing. Okay.
Yeah. So I had this query last live. They were asking how do you protect your resin pieces, from getting the dust free. So this is the way, guys. You have to cover with the box.
Or take a big box. Go to any plastic store, get big boxes,
Okay.
and please cover it. So that's all.
So I have turned on the comments now. So guys, you can start shooting your questions now.
Where can we buy these molds? These molds, I made them, or you can ask Sharanya. I'm sorry, Manisha also. She will help you. I'm going to put on the.
We have this kind of mold in our store already. You guys can check. What is the price of moss? Who was that? Deepa.
Is it
Yeah,
less?
Deepa. Deepa, price of the moss. Okay, I'm really sorry. It is 100 or 150. I'm not sure. There are so many products. I sometimes tend to forget the prices of some products.
Okay, so how to finish the rim of the coaster. Hello, Pa. How to finish the rim of the coaster? So once you demold it, what happens is the corners will be sharp. Okay, so you can take your nail buffer, or you have those buffer tools. Okay, the motor ones which you can use to sand all the edges, and then you can just leave it like that. Okay, on the top portion, if you want, you can add a coat of the doming of any clear resin. That's your call.
Always, when you use sandpaper, use waterproof sandpaper and use it inside water. So what happens is you don't get a lot of scratches on your resin pieces. If you do a dry sanding, you do get scratches on your pieces. Then you have to polish that, or you have to do it doming again. So Rachu, hand touch Rachu wants to know, is it necessary to use heat tool? Preeti, what do you say?
You can use a heat gun, you can use a blowtorch. Okay, so what I have currently is a blowtorch. I also have a heat gun, but what happens is when you're using this this is called as the blowtorch. Okay, so when you're using this, what happens is it just clears the superficial layer of air bubbles. Whereas if you use a heat gun, it tends to make the resin more runny. So I'm not very comfortable using a heat gun like that because it tends to, given too much of heat and starts becoming runny.
Deepa, yes, she did add resin in powder moss. That's what I had asked her. So it is added because, or else your moss doesn't stays there. Okay. Do you have store in Chennai? Sandeep Jain. Yes, sir, we do have store in Chennai. We've just opened a store. It's not exactly a full-fledged retail store, but yes, you can come in, you can see our products and you can purchase.
Hand touch by Raj. Blow dryer. I'm not for a blow dryer. If you're going to remove the superficial
No,
air bubbles.
don't use blow dryer. Your resin will start, splattering around. Don't
Yes,
never use blow dryer.
because it's like you're blowing your head. It's going to go everywhere.
Heat gun or blowtorch. Rachu, you need heat gun or blowtorch only if you find bubbles there. Okay, if you find very less bubbles, you can even take it through toothpick.
Or a straw.
Straw, yeah.
But I would suggest if you're going for a proper resin work, you have to invest, go for something.
Yeah, true. I say every artist who contacts me, I tell them, see, resin art is not a cheap art. You have to invest in it because there are a lot of products and a lot of ways you can create a lot of things. Which green is this turquoise?
The one you gave me, the turquoise and teal. Remember?
Tina ji, are you asking about the dye? Yeah, dye. There are we have teal, we have turquoise. So you have mixed both, or you have used only teal? Sorry, Preeti, what have you used? Turquoise.
I have used this one, the turquoise. Actually, I
Turquoise, yeah. So we have this. It's a resin dye. It's a transparent one. She's used the dye.
Yeah, Miss Clover,
Which green is that?
yes, alcohol spray can be used to burst the bubbles, but I have not used them personally. So I've heard it's actually quite effective. Probably I'll invest in that also next.
Suji flame torch can be used, right? She's asking Preeti.
Yes, you can use. Flame torch is the one you use for the gas. Yeah, I've used them.
Yeah.
Initially when I started,
resin mode. Abhi is asking which gold paint to use at the outline.
You can use a lot of acrylic.
Marker.
No, you can use a lot of acrylic paints, or you can use these acrylic pigment paint markers. Okay, so you have this Deco Art brand, or you have this, what is the brand? Yeah, what?
Posca markers you can use.
Sorry, I have Posca.
Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, we have Posca markers. Or else, what you can do is, see, we have this metallic pigment in store. You can mix that with binder, and you can just paint the edges.
Yeah.
Alcohol spray can burst the bubbles. What do we call this resin liquid, and where can I find them? It's epoxy resin, Kajal. She's used Madras Bazaar epoxy resin and hardener. It's 10:4. You can find this in our store on website. You just type epoxy resin, you will get it. What is water sandpaper? Richa, water sandpaper is what do you say? You will find two kind of
There are
sandpaper.
two
One is,
different sandpapers. Okay, one sandpaper will be black in color. So if you ask them, they will give you a black, water sandpaper in the sense you take the sandpaper, put water on top of that, okay, and then you move your project on that so that it sandpapers the sides. If you are going to use the normal the heavy grit or the yellow one, no, what happens is you won't get it. It'll be too hard, and the paper will start tearing off. Whereas in water grade sandpaper, the paper won't tear.
yeah, or else you can just keep it in a box, pour a water, lay down your sandpaper, and then you can move resin piece in that way also. How do you do mandala art on resin?
Mandala
Preeti.
art. That's a difficult question. How do you do mandala art? I kind of don't understand the question actually. In the
See,
sense of
Manju, I think you're trying to ask what she does is she does mandala art and then she does resin doming on it.
I
That is
have
what I
also
think.
done mandala art on a resin, so it's just using of the paints. That's all. Hey, thank you
Okay.
so much for your comment, for your compliment.
Mehik's art, that's what I think you missed the part of it. She covered her resin piece right now, the mold with the big plastic box. So, it is dust free. Preeti, just show them now how you've covered your resin piece now. See, she's placed a big plastic box on it. How to use silicone oil to create cells?
I have not used silicone oil
I
on.
will also not suggest to use silicone oil because silicone oil won't dry up and your pieces will have the oily, left out on the top. It doesn't cure. Silicone oil is not used for
It will work
cells.
for acrylic, but I'm not sure for resin.
No, it won't work for resin. We have tried it. Actually, even Priya has tried it. I have tried it. It doesn't cure. It will leave the silicone, the oily surface on it.
Mm.
How do you guys have gold afloat pigments? Do you guys have gold afloat? What is gold afloat pigments? Sorry, Fox class. What is gold? I am sorry, I didn't understand what is gold afloat pigments. We have metallic pigments.
Oh,
It's called
I think they're
resin.
talking about those pigments where you mix the powder with the resin. So after what happens is the
It
powder
floats on
starts
top.
to float up. Yeah, the metallic
Floating
pigments,
on top.
metallic
Okay.
pigments have to flow on top.
Yeah, that is any metallic powder, pigment powder you mix, it will float on top and some even goes at the bottom. Can
Guys,
we
to
use
create
epoxy resin on
cells in
MDF board?
resin, guys, to create cells in resin, it's a whole new ball game. It's a whole new topic. It comes with a lot of practice. It comes with a lot of knowing your resin, the correct pigment you're using. So I don't think so. I can really explain so much in a live video today.
Yeah. So, okay.
Somebody asked something.
Kajal
What
was
about?
asking, can we use resin on MDF boards too? Yes, you can. You
Yeah,
can use on MDF boards.
see, I'll show you.
What about bigger pieces like 20, 30 inches?
So this is
She's
an
asking.
MDF board from Madras Bazaar, which I used for making a resin art.
Make covering 20, 30-inch MD pieces. Then you need, you have to keep some big pieces of glasses on the edges and then cover it with the plastic sheet on top.
Yes, I've done a
That is
bigger
what
board
you can do.
actually. I've done a big
You
board
have
like
done
that.
the bigger board, right? You have done the huge board one.
I've done a 6 feet board where I have kept so many things. I've taken a big plastic sheet and covered it. Make sure there are no dirt or dust particles in that room. Nobody put fan in that room. Nobody opened the balcony door. No sweeping for one day. That's how it was.
What materials are used for 3D flower?
I am not at the liberty to do that because I went for a class myself and it would not be good if I'm going to tell what you taught me.
What? Okay, I didn't understand her question. Maybe it was to
We
you.
asked about the 3D flower, which I make, no? 3D flower பண்றேன்ல.
Okay, from
Posters.
the posters. Okay. Guys, you can always ping her for classes. She can take
See,
online classes for you.
and moreover, see, when I started doing these 3D flowers or those effects, I wasted so much of resin that I kept trying, and finally one day it came. And then I took an advanced course, but you have to keep trying. If you are not
How do you get cells in resin? Guys, you can use isopropyl alcohol. I am going to tell this
you can
actually
use
today. You
alcohol.
can use alcohol.
What is it?
Use
What is it
isopropyl
asking?
alcohol in resin. You can get cells in your resin pieces.
Thick Wicks has asked, is it only resin and pigment? Are there no additives used to make cells? For my work, I have not used any additives. Okay, the consistency of the resin, the thickness of the resin, what you do, how you're working matters for you to bring out the see. Over here, these have the cells, no? Can you guys see? Can you guys see? No, there are no additives used. See? There are no additives used.
How to sand sides of MDF board? Say the 335. See, we have liquid latex. You can apply latex on sides, so you don't have the resin pouring, on the sides or edges, and then you don't have to sand it. Latex works like, wonder.
Latex works well, especially on a resin already cured resin piece. For an MDF, it's good, but you have to have a little bit more patience when you're using that because you have to like really peel it off. But it'll definitely work.
Whether isopropyl alcohol and rubbing alcohol are same. Hurl Harl
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but that matters, the percentage matters. Isopropyl alcohol.
95%. 95% I
Sorry,
would say. 95%
90,
I
I
would
think
say.
95 or 98 percentage. It has to be. For working with resin, you need 98 to 99% of isopropyl. You get a
Okay,
lot of.
I'm not really sure, but I saw this in another forum where they used isopropyl alcohol for something, and after that they used the heat gun. So please beware, alcohol is flammable. Okay, so you
Don't,
have
yeah,
to
don't
kind
use
of
heat gun with your alcohol.
Inga
Yeah.
use pannanda. Blowtorch da use
Fire
pannanga.
blowtorch. Yeah, yeah. Uh, on MDF, it's not working. What is not working on MDF?
It'll work, it'll work. You need to put some generous amount of latex. சும்மா போட முடியாதுல. You need to put some generous
No,
amount
you
of
have
latex.
to. Yes, you have to. Okay, I think she's saying latex doesn't works with MDF. It will work. What you have to do is you have to either cover with the paint, or else you have to use your varnish. So the latex peels off easily. See, I'll show
Correct.
you one thing. I have a project. Okay, this project was done by Darni, and I have shared her video. Also, she used our latex on back. So she had painted, that's why it was peeled off easily. The latex came off easily. So even the, your epoxy resin, our brand was, you see how it's reflecting. See the gloss.
I can see my face in that.
Yeah, see, we can, your, we can see the live.
Yeah.
It's so glossy. Can we apply latex on the whole mold for the other? Why you have to use it on mold? Don't use it on mold. Latex
Yeah.
is used only for the cured pieces.
See, for example, if this is a piece where I want to dome, I will be applying latex on the back side. And then after
And
I
the
pour the
sides.
resin, I'm going to remove it. It's on the other side, you use
Yeah.
the latex where it's dripping.
Anjana Daga, she's asking, can you show demo on cells? Today, I think we are done with the demo. Today, she won't have time. I will try, going live with her again if she plans for demoing cells. What do you say, Preeti?
I can definitely give it a shot, but I really need to, get it myself right. See, the problem is you will be like all super prepared and all. Finally, it will give you a nice alva when you're doing it on that day. I'm just so scared about that.
Yeah. So, guys, I think we are done. I thought, we'll just go 20 minutes live, and it's already 42 minutes we are live. So last 2 minutes. Okay, guys, if any of you have any more questions, you can just share your questions.
We'll be live for another 2 minutes. We'll call it off.
Sorry?
We'll be live
What?
another 2 minutes and then we'll call it off.
Yeah, it's late. Okay, do you guys have any idea what was the question? Denatured alcohol is called in India. Sorry, I have never heard about it. What is that?
Even
Preeti, you have
denatured
any?
alcohol, I'm not able to think. Anybody else can answer that question, can answer.
Yeah.
So guys, again my dad is telling hi. Hi. Ravali, see this is your coaster. I'm searching for you if you had joined the live.
She just came live, I think now, maybe. How to increase life of resin? Anjana, can you be a little more specific in what terms you're asking? How to increase life of resin?
And தெரியாது.
My
I mean,
colored resin always merges with transparent resin.
sorry?
Ritu is saying her colored resin always merges with transparent resin.
Yeah, it will merge.
It will, no, I think maybe, she's not allowing the first layer, colored layer to cure, and you have to always allow your colored layer to cure at least to 60-70%, and then you pour a second layer, so it won't mix up. If you pour both together, it will mix up.
Yes, denatured alcohol is like spirit. Spirit is nothing but rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is nothing but isopropyl alcohol. Yes, it's all the same. It's equal to RHS.
Oh God, who was that?
When art is done, how to maintain it. It depends on who's buying. It depends on where they're keeping it. You cannot just use it like any piece of thing. No, it's like art. You have to preserve it. You have to cherish it.
Yeah, it depends upon who is going to actually own that piece, how well they take care of it. It has to be taken care like a baby. You have to dust it, clean it. And if you're going to use some coasters and all, then you can't take good care of it. Then the purpose of coaster is to serve for it. Why two more people can't join in live? I wish to join you guys. Priya.
Then Priya, then only we four will be talking. Nobody else will talk.
Yeah, others won't get chance to talk, right? UV resin, how do you use? Preeti, how do you use UV resin?
You need a UV light, you need UV resin, you need whatever you're working. So you pour the UV resin wherever is needed, and then you switch on the UV light. Depending upon how thick the layer is, it cures accordingly. That's actually
Mostly UV resin is used for bezels and small tiny projects.
The girl who's asked, why don't you contact Madras Bazaar, because they have video tutorials of how to use UV resin. I myself have done a UV resin video. I've done it.
Yeah, we do have 2-3 videos. Preeti video is there, Priya video is there.
Yeah.
Do you have liquid resin? We have epoxy resin. What is liquid resin? I think that is what, right? Epoxy resin.
Resin is liquid. I didn't understand if I honestly don't know if there is another medium. I thought resin was always liquid.
Deepa, liquid resin is nothing, epoxy resin. How long do you need to wait for the first layer to cure approx? Shades of Joycraft, it depends completely about the epoxy resin what you use. If you're using Madras Bazaar epoxy resin, you need at least 7 to 8 hours for first layer to cure. What do you say, Preeti? Correct?
Correct. 8 hours.
Yeah. Before adding the transparent layer, you need to wait 6 to 8 hours. Will layer of clear resin cover up the dust?
If you're going to demold it from the mold, not 8 hours. We need more time. We need at least 24 hours. If you're going to pour another layer, yes.
Yeah. Please save this live possible. Kajal, yes, this live will be saved and it will be shared in my Madras Bazaar IGTV. How to level the surface that we are working?
Please save this live.
How to level the surface that we are working on?
Your surface always has to be level. If you don't, your surface from the starting, see, I will show you here. There is a table. On top of the table, this is an MDF board, which I have kept for having a leveled surface. On top of it is my work.
You can use the leveling scale, or else.
No, I'm saying the surface from the beginning has to be level. And
That's
then
what, yeah. Sometimes you might not know to be very accurate. You can use the leveling scale to see about the leveling, whether it's the correct the level what you are going to place your mold. You can see from that. Do
so
you
now,
have blowtorch? If not, from where can we purchase? G Nayak, we don't have blowtorch. You can always purchase through Amazon.
yeah,
The
Manisha, you're
reason
going to use
I
the scale as a
the
guinea
reason
pig.
I'm not selling blowtorch or heat guns, actually, many have asked me if I have. I don't sell them because it's easily available in Amazon, and so no point, your or else you can even find it locally. The thing is, if you purchase from me, your shipping adds up, your shipping weight adds up. That's why I don't, promote heat guns and blowtorch. You get it at your local hardware stores easily.
Mhm.
Is it
Manisha,
necessary to use blowtorch?
it is, see, I'm comfortable. It's about how you are comfortable. I'm very comfortable with the blowtorch.
Do you have high viscosity resin? Abhi, we have 2:1 epoxy resin, which cures faster. You can use that. Uh, Priya from Reni's has been using only 2:1 resin from our store. So I will try going live with Priya once with our 2:1 resin. If you guys want, you can inbox me if you want live session for 2:1. Preeti is comfortable with 10:4. Everyone have their comfort zone to use which resin they want to. Can you use acrylics in resin? Guys, you can't use acrylics in resin. Acrylic is a water-based paint. You can't use with epoxy resin. How to remove resin in case if it gets on fingers, even though using gloves, fingers become sticky.
No, no. If you are using gloves, if you invest in a good quality gloves, nothing will happen. If you're using those plastic gloves, what happens is they will tend to tear, and you would start having all those resins sitting
Guys,
on your.
try to not to use latex gloves.
Actually, it's not the latex; that's the powder. So don't use powdered gloves.
Powdered one. We have gloves in our store. You can check the gloves. It's nitrile, right? Nitrile, what do you say? Nitrile gloves.
Nitrile gloves.
Nitrile. When do you when you do ocean pour and put one color of resin, how long to wait till we put the second color?
It depends
Ritika
on.
Sima, same. What we just answered someone. First of all, it depends upon the resin what you use. And if it's Madras Bazaar resin, you have to wait 6 to 8 hours for first layer to cure. Do you have coaster molds? Deepa, yes, we have some coaster molds still left in our store. I will suggest you to better, hurry up and purchase it because we have, I think, only some 2, 3 left right now. Is it Preeti 10:4? Priya,
Yeah,
is
Priya.
it scratch proof? Abhi is asking, is it scratch proof?
Scratch proof. Manisha, neither so you should only tell about that.
See, it is not 100% scratch proof. I will say if it was 100% scratch proof, car companies would have preferred resin instead of any other paints, so their cars can be scratch free. So none of the resins are scratch proof, but yes, it is less prone to scratch. I have tried using acrylic colors. Who was that? With resin, it does works, but I have tried with smaller projects only. Okay.
See,
Lokeshwari,
acrylic I've used and I have not been very happy with the result because the pigment you use for resin is different from acrylic.
maybe you guys would have used very small tint of it, so it would have worked, but it's always suggested not to use acrylic colors. If you get so used to acrylic, what happens when you do a big project, you might actually spoil your project if it doesn't work. Ritika Sima, darling, you just WhatsApp me, I will add you to the broadcast. So you get updates about our moles. Because I keep getting then and there a lot of moles and it goes out of stock within seconds actually. Within seconds.
You should
Which
be
of your
proud of
resin
it.
is suitable for non-casting, that is normal pour projects?
See, I'm
Fox
doing a
gas
live.
are resin can, yeah, you tell me.
No,
Preeti,
I'm
you
doing.
answer this. For what all you can use?
See, if you're going to use, see, resin comes in different thing. You have 10:4, 3:1, 2:1, everything. So 2:1 will be better if you're going for faster projects. Even if you're going to use this 10:4 resin, it is also pretty good for your coating. So see, I told you, right? This is the finish. If you see it in daylight, and you see the finish is pretty good. So you can use this also.
So who was that? Okay, I missed. Okay, I missed who was that person. See, our resin can be used for casting. It can be used for doming, for pouring. It's all in one resin. You don't have to go for different kind of resins for different kind of projects. It works for everything. See, that's what I showed you. Now she did for molds, and this is just the only the topping, which is worked for that also. You can use for everything. It's all in one. Okay, guys, I think it's already 10:53. So you guys can actually ping Preeti directly if you have any questions regarding today's live, and regarding any products and epoxy resin, you can ping me. Okay. So we will just end the live now. Thank you so much for joining, guys.
Thank you so much,
And
and
I
please follow us and spread the word. If you want
thank you,
next
Preeti, for going live with me today.
anytime.
Yeah, so we'll soon have another live with another artist. So yeah, I'm planning for a weekly, one live with one artist. So let's have more showcase of projects. Okay, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Bye,
Thank you.
Preeti.
Bye, Manisha.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you for joining. And if you guys have any questions regarding epoxy resin, ping me. Okay, I will give you the direct link, and it is 1.4 kg only for 999. Okay, and for any other products, you can inbox me or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much for joining live. Bye.